Where does the name for Glan Gors come from? And where does the name for Mynydd Bodrochwyn come from? So today I'm in Conwy County and I'm on the road between Mynydd and Bodrochwyn, and behind me there are these two hills just above the valley of the River Elwy. So the name of this hill behind me is Glan Gors. Glan is the edge of a river or the edge of a lake or some kind of body of water. Means the, and Gors is the soft mutation of Gors, which means swamp. So this hill's name literally means the edge of the swamp, which makes sense because I'm sure the river at the bottom of this valley floods quite often. Now this hill behind me is called Mynydd Bodrochwyn. Mynydd is quite obvious, it means mountain, but Bodrochwyn had me scratching my head for quite a long time. Bod means an abode, a place where somebody lives for a long period of time. But Rochwyn had me confused. Was it short for yr ochr wyn, the pale side? I couldn't find anything on it for a long time, until I found out that the name of the saint Rhychwyn, as in Llanrhychwyn, was sometimes spelt Rochwyn. So it literally means the abode of Saint Rochwyn or Rhychwyn. What he did here, I'm not entirely sure. Maybe he performed a miracle on it, maybe he had a small house on it. I don't know, but it literally means the mountain of Rhychwyn's abode. Anyway, diolch, subscribe for more, give us a like and a share, and if you want to help me on my quest to explain every single place name in Wales, consider joining my Patreon. The link's in the bio. Diolch, have a good one.